Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse back again with another unboxing video. This time it's the Canon G7X Mark II. First of all, the Canon G7X Mark II. This is the video camera for vloggers and bloggers. It's been around for years. There's actually an updated version of this available, the Mark III. So there's going to be some discussion when I open this up about the Mark II versus the Mark III, why you choose one or the other. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. This is actually the video creator kit, so there's going to be a bunch of other additional items in here in addition to the camera, battery, wrist strap. It says on the side it also has a tripod, a memory card, and an extra battery. So and I guess I should mention this. I fell out of a tree. I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's a tree. And I fell out of it. I was trimming some branches, so I broke my wrist a little bit. But it'll be fine. So let's go ahead and open it up. So why we're doing this. So obviously I've been shooting videos for a long time with just using my cell phone. I think it's time to make the upgrade. I've seen some of the other vloggers out there. Believe it or not, I actually have over 1 million views. I think it's over 1.5 million views on different social media channels. So I guess it's time we go ahead and upgrade the look of the video going forward and hopefully the sound. So let's see what we have in here. So on top, they put a SanDisk 32 gig SD card, some packaging material. Alright, so yeah, the extra battery pack, which is going to be great when we're moving around again, the tripod, which we'll set up, and then here's what we're looking for, which is the Canon G7X Mark II in the, if you Google it, a lot of times it's Mark II. So let's get it out, and we'll take a look at the Canon itself. So here we go. Packaging materials in here, the warranty card, giant manual, more packaging, the camera, charger for the battery, wrist strap, and oh no, this is the battery. Okay. So let's take a look at the camera. We'll talk about it a little bit. So the Mark II, it's not. So the struggle is that obviously the thing about a cell phone is it's always with you. It's super convenient, but it doesn't shoot the best videos, of course. So this thing has got a 1-inch sensor in it, I guess, which is supposed to be amazing. I'm not a technology expert, but it's got this great screen that we're going to turn on. Great for selfies, of course, so you can shoot it while you're on the road. But with the things, I think a very interesting thing to talk about is what it doesn't have compared to the Mark III and why somebody would go for the Mark II versus the Mark III. So the Mark III has output for audio, which I thought might be really helpful. If you want to plug in a microphone, you get great audio. It also shoots 4K video for up to 10 minutes, which I thought would be really good. And it charges with USB-C. You're able to use it as your video camera for your computer if you're doing like Zoom calls. So it's got a lot of advantages on the Mark III that the Mark II doesn't have. However, it also comes with some issues that are well documented on the internet, which is it tends to overheat when you're shooting video, which means that you may have to shut down, power it off, and wait an hour before you can shoot again. And especially the big concern on that one is the image stabilization. So people say if you're walking around moving it, it tends to, the image stabilization, the autofocus and the image stabilization isn't great. So this thing's been a rock solid performer for a long time for a lot of video bloggers, so I thought this would be a great solution. So I'm really excited to have it. Let's go ahead and open up the battery here if I can. Pop this in. I think it goes in the bottom here. Let's see how we're doing here. So and I think the SD card goes in there too, so let me find that. We'll open this up. We'll put the SD card and the battery in at the same time. Ooh, always very tough packaging here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Got this out. 32 gig SD card. I know everybody's doing micro SD cards now, but let's see. I think this pops in here like this. Let's try it. See if we can get it in. Nope. They only go one way. Let's try it this way. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Battery. Let's try putting that in. No, no. Looks like it goes like this. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Pop that closed. Oop. Close the door. Nice, it's got the tripod holder down there. Let's see if we can power it on. Well, that's record button. No. Power. Okay, here we go. Hey, look at that. We're on. Okay. We'll skip the time for now. I'll come back to that. We're on the video. So let's see how this works. I pop this up. It goes into selfie mode. I'm not sure my wife wants to be on the camera shot, but that's it. Alright, so I thought everybody would want to see at the end how sharp it is. Obviously I've done nothing in the settings, nothing to make this thing look better. Right out of the box. Step one is to shoot the video here so you can see at the end what it looks like compared to the other the cell phone camera video. So that's it. Here's the cell phone camera pointing back at you just like the other camera was. So thanks for joining everybody. Check you later. Bye.